The Australian bushland is alive with the sound of birds. In every tree you'll find a variety of birds. There's one. In some trees you'll find birds hunting for their next meal, playing or just resting from a hard day digging worms. Australia is home to more species of Australian birds than any other country. Let's go and find some of the unique and amazing species that call Australia home. The magpie. The Latin name is Blackus and Whitus. They're not really that unique or amazing, but they're found in Australia. They spend their days fossicking for insects to eat. During breeding season, they are known to swoop or attack anybody walking past their nesting areas. The kookaburra, the Latin name Laphiolosius. Kookaburras eat meat such as small lizards. Kookaburras are most known for their laugh. They must always be having a good time. The sulphur-crested cockatoo. The Latin name is Noiseus maximus. They usually stay in large groups, so they can cause the most noise and annoyance. Their diet consists mostly of timber and furniture and balconies. During the daytime, they loudly screech around humans, only quietening once giving food. As night falls, they loudly announce their departure and head to their favourite tree to sleep. The bower. Latin name? Stelibluus singuus. The males and females look very different. To attract a mate, the male bower builds a stick structure called a bower and decorates it with blue objects it finds, such as bottle tops and pegs. Females will visit the bower and point out all the things the male did wrong. The crimson rosella, Latin name Redius birdius. They are named this as they are crimson in colour and rosellas. They can be found on balconies waiting for the next meal. When that doesn't work out, they search the ground for insects and worms, but only as a last resort. The Pacific black duck, Latin name Quacius alotius. They are known for the distinctive nut black feathers. They spend their days in large groups at lakes and waterways, hoping that a piece of bread will be thrown their way. Although they frequently block roads or paths, they are actually able to fly. The masked lapwing, Latin name Anoius alotius. They're usually found around parks and waterways. They often swoop towards predators, such as small children, to ward them away from their territory. The white-breasted robin, Latin name Smallus birdius. These tiny birds are territorial and forage for food mostly near the ground. The spotted dove, Latin name Maxillus soundius. These are a breed of pigeons. They move around in small groups and make a cooing noise. The king parrot, the Latin name Notrilius akingius. These parrots have a spectacular red plumage. The common myna, Latin name Pestia aloceus. These species were first introduced in Australia in 1800s to control insects, but we still have a lot of insects, and now we have a lot of common mynas. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe.